The vehicle being chased by officers is a US Postal Service SUV stolen at gunpoint a week ago in the USA. What officers had no clue about was that sitting in the front seats were Gen Z girls who were possibly armed, and one of them was even a juvenile.
Looks like they took out the driver's side tire. Stand by. Looks like they took out the driver's side tire. Public library. Approaching South Mud Avenue, stand by. It's going to be a left. They're going to bail out. Right, left Main Street. Crossing over Main Street. 25 miles an hour. Right traffic.
Where are you? Make this left.
Location for bailout.
Summit Street.
Summit Street.
Put your hand behind your back.
That's the driver.
That's the driver.
Yep.
Puff her up. Puff her up. You have a gun on you? You have a gun on you?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Now. Get on the ground. Handcuffs. You got anything on you?
No. Where are we?
Yeah. What you got on you? Anything? Alright, I'm gonna pat you down, alright? You wanna do it? You wanna do a pat down?
Yeah, sure. Do you have a gun on you? Tell us now. You ready? 1, 2, 3 to your knees. Go.
Let's search it first.
Stand up. Stand up.
Who's got the gun?
Right, get up.
Come on, ready to win. Come on.
Ready?
You ready? Come on.
Nope.
Anything?
Nah, he's good. He's got his phone.
All right. All right. I'll check him one more time. We'll put him in the car.
Sounds good.
You want to hold on to him?
Yeah.
How many are at large? How many bailed that we don't have?
We got a female?
One at large?
There's 4, I think.
Go that way to the stop sign. Did he have a blue one right there?
You still have one in custody?
How many came out of the car?
He said 4.
Was it 3 or 4?
He said 4. Was there a 4th one, Nick?
I don't think so.
He says he doesn't think there was a 4th.
No, there might not be.
Yeah, so what we store.
Tom, you said 3 on the air, too. You said 3
I
heads.
saw 3 heads in the car while we were driving, but that doesn't mean 4 didn't pop out.
Why was you guys running?
Who's got a car? Patrol car. This is mine. I don't know if anyone's in it.
Pat him down. Pat him down. Let's secure in this car. Vargas. Oh, yeah.
I got his thing right here.
Although officers successfully captured 3 suspects, dashcam footage revealed there were actually 4 who bailed from the vehicle. At that moment, police weren't sure how many were inside the SUV and were ready to wrap up the arrests, completely unaware that the missing Gen Z suspect was hiding in plain sight in the USA, just a few feet away.
Let's put this guy in the car. We'll put her in another car. I'll get a feeling checker. Check her, okay?
All right. Well, I mean, she doesn't appear to have anything on her, so.
Can I get my shoes?
Where's your shoes? Let's see where you were driving, right? Yeah. You're not a very good driver, I have to be honest with you.
What's that? One's up this way?
Want one?
I keep my ID, please. What's your name? Three.
How many people were in the car, honestly? There's at least three.
Listen, if you want to help yourself, listen, ma'am. Ma'am, miss, hello. Look at me for a second. This is Sergeant Muriel, Sergeant versus Detective Lutz. If you want to help yourself, okay? Okay? For anything today, for our safety, how many people in the car? And is there a weapon in the car? Okay, so I have a seat in the car. Then we'll take it headquarters, okay? You're being placed under arrest right now, okay?
I made contact with the car to trap him in the car.
This is armed robbery. You prevented a bailout. That was a good job.
Well, I didn't smash into it. I just.
No, right. You
Yeah.
prevented a bailout. That's a good job. We good.
Okay. All right. So I can move it.
There's no accident here. The sergeant is not seeing the crash that occurred. Okay. The victim was there in the car. There's no accident here.
Minor accident?
Yeah. I mean, they didn't like smash into the back of him. They just trying to squeeze and kind of bumped both sides of the car.
So it was a bump.
Yeah. I mean, they went through pretty fast, but.
And they were only doing 25, 30 miles?
Sometimes. Yeah, it was a terrible driver.
She was driving?
She was driving.
Luckily, a witness in a nearby car saw the whole thing and knew exactly where the final Gen Z suspect was hiding in the USA. She pointed officers to the hiding spot, leading them to the fourth girl, who was tucked away by a radiator, thinking she had successfully escaped the scene.
I see other girl in the car.
She went in here?
Yeah, down corner here.
Right in there?
Yeah, the other girl.
She's saying that there was a girl that went in here.
That's the girl we got.
She said that there was another girl that went in here. Really? Get out.
114, we got one more suspect over here.
Who's got cuffs? Cuffs!
I got you. That's right.
What's going on? What were you doing? Checking a radiator?
I actually do remember seeing her now. She came out with the other one. She did a good job. Hiding, yeah.
Good job, Tom.
Well, thank God.
We got a female here.
Just check under here, please.
Here. Can you search her real quick?
Good job, man. Thank you.
She's got a wad of money on her.
Confirm that plate, please, that you have there. Is it Lima Kilo Delta 9383?
Is it?
100 with a bunch of singles, but...
Stand by. That's our property, all right? Keep that with her.
You got no weapon car with her?
I got my own.
No, none recovered.
No.
Good job. Go for a dog?
Well, Melville's saying that there was no gun now. So that's why we're not going crazy, but, you know.
It's crazy. Now that I see it, bro, I remember for a split second, they both came off. They did come off.
Were they? I went like this at the corner, and I saw you by yourself. I'm like, let me go that way.
All four suspects are now facing serious heat, charged with receiving stolen property and felony flight. The driver, Kana, is in the deepest trouble, facing a potential 10-year prison sentence and a massive $150,000 fine for eluding the police. As the investigation continues in the USA, the other three Gen Z suspects are looking at up to 5 years behind bars and $15,000 in fines. This wild ride officially hit a dead end, proving that no matter how well you hide, the law eventually catches up. Stay tuned for more updates on this case.